So the weather got a bit crazy for some people this evening. Let's get to Rebecca Stevenson and find out how it's looking for the rest of the night.
Well, good news is that we're going to lose a lot of the instability for these thunderstorms out there, Greg and Jessica. We're going to see conditions starting to get a little quieter into the evening, but we're all going to wake up to some rain sweeping through with gusty wind. But this is from an entirely different storm system headed our way before we get to a big warm-up. So let's jump into the Doppler radar right now, where you can see the areas of lightning strikes are stretching from Bellingham all through the Cascade foothills, past Everett, Sultan, into Snoqualmie Pass, and down across Buckley and Black Diamond. Now, zooming in a little bit closely, I've been watching this shower in particular because it's been stretching in a very solid band, anywhere from Anacortes across Mount Vernon to McMurray and down to Arlington. Now it seems to be diminishing in the intensity, so that is definitely good news. But we still have a lot of dangerous lightning strikes out there. They are still going and being created from the storm that's over Enumclaw right now, and also through a storm that's passing across Snoqualmie Pass just on the approach to the pass. So still getting the lightning strikes. We also had so many hail reports. This is starting at 5:30 today, 5:30 p.m., putting this into motion. And you could see we had a number of lightning strikes up the Kitsap Peninsula, strong storms, hail, a lot of downpours coming with this. And we still have hail now in the storm that's over Enumclaw, and also hail reports a little farther north near Arlington. So temperatures now dramatically cooling behind these storms. We're at 58 degrees now for Everett, but 56 for Oak Harbor. Seattle, because we didn't have a storm go right over downtown, you're one of the more mild spots at 60 degrees. So the next 12 hours, we're going to hear things get quieter. It'll just be cloudy, but we have a whole new round of rain that'll be coming in through overnight into the early morning hours. So tonight, in the overnight, rain will move back in for the morning. Temperatures in the low to mid 40s, winds out of the southwest 10 to 20 miles an hour. The low temperatures mainly in the mid 40s, 48 for Seattle. And here's the cold front that's going to bring in the rain to start our Wednesday. And that is going to pass through once these lightning strikes have wrapped up. And they are going to be dying out here in the next hour. Thursday will warm up significantly. We're getting a thermal trough coming up from the south, so temperatures are going to soar. Before then, tomorrow, we have a wind advisory east of the Cascades. Watch out for possibility of blowing dust from Ellensburg to Wenatchee. Those are going to be powerful gusts. In the mountains, we'll have a chance of a thunderstorm again tomorrow, along with a few showers. Tomorrow in the lowlands, we'll be dry by evening. All this rain that's going to move through early tomorrow is pretty much going to change to scattered showers and move out. But the high temperatures will be much cooler in the upper 50s to low 60s. A big difference from what we had today. So then on our Thursday, it's clear skies to start, heading into the mid to upper 60s. Friday, sunny skies, mid to upper 70s. Saturday, Sunday is going to be low to mid 80s. And then we'll gradually approach that cool down on our Monday, and we'll get that nice marine push that we like that cools us off so much.
Looking forward to that, but have to get through this rain first. Rebecca, thanks.